them. There's a minister in charge of treasury who should come to the House and read the budget, not the president, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, secondly, who is an expert? Mr. Speaker, secondly, they have spoken about the finance bill. First, they said that the finance bill has a clause that says all freehold titles will be changed to leasehold titles. That lie has been demystified. Now they have nothing else to say. Lastly, Mr. Speaker, I want to remind the House and Kenyans that the person who is coming to read the estimates today is a former chairman of ODM. Can you repeat after me? ODM. Can you repeat after me? ODM. Thank you very much.
Order, honorable members. Order. Junet, you are out of order for conducting an illegal choir on the floor of the House. Honorable members, order. 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 Honorable members, for avoidance of doubt, the point made by Honorable Junet and Honorable Ichungu